Top largest countries in the world 2023. The largest countries in the world by total area, land and water, are Russia, 17,098,242 square kilometers. Canada, 9,984,670 square kilometers. China, 9,706,961 square kilometers. United States, 9,526,468 square kilometers. Brazil, 8,515,767 square kilometers. Australia, 7,692,024 square kilometers. India, 3,287,263 square kilometers. Argentina, 2,780,400 square kilometers. Kazakhstan, 2,724,900 square kilometers. Algeria, 2,381,741 square kilometers. Please note that these figures are approximate and may vary slightly depending on the source. Additionally, it's worth noting that some countries such as Russia and China have a large land area but also a significant amount of uninhabitable area such as deserts and tundra.